Welcome, in front of me I have OnePlus Nord 2 5G, and today I will show you how to remove tempered glass from the display in this smartphone. We are not going to use any additional accessories, any tools. We are going to use our fingernails. So let's start from one of the edge. For example, we are going to start from the right upper corner, and we have to put our fingernail gently under this glass. So let's make it like that. Do it slowly, and we have to lift that glass. And right now we have to move our fingernail for another edge. Okay, and right now we can put second finger here and then slide just like that by the edges. Do it slowly, try to don't break glass. And as you can see, we easily get rid of that glass. Let's put it back. And as you can see on the display, we can only find right now the foil that is factory installed in this smartphone. So as you can see, it was very simple, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.